I mean,
No.
they can't even crack the window open?
Yeah, I know. At least if you're gonna leave your dog in the car, leave the windows down.
What is wrong with these people?
I don't know. That's what we said too, though.
You know, have you seen that thing? Poor baby.
No, that's crazy.
Did someone go in there?
Who's so
It's
irresponsible?
hers. It's her animal.
You left your dog in the car?
There. Open it. Open it.
I'm sorry, miss. That's extremely irresponsible. We just called 911. Hope you don't leave your kids in there like that.
Man, you came to me at the right time.
Yeah, he was just about to break your window.
Don't do this again.
They have her license plate number already. We already called it in.
Yeah, he needs some water. Please don't ever do that again. Crack the window down something.
Do that, okay?
Then who did? That's how animals and kids die.
I do this for a living, and I've seen it multiple times. I'm an animal control officer for City of Downey. I see this all the time.
Oh my God. People never learn.
That's what I'm saying. I know.
People never learn.
He could've
That's how
actually
kids
did
died.
it.
I wish he would have taught her a lesson.
But they said they're on the way, so
The co-
hopefully they come.
You mind staying here? I mean, you can take the dog inside. You can tell them it's a service dog. They'll be fine with that. Oh, by the time they get here, they'll be gone.
Yeah, it usually happens like that, man.
Jesus Christ.
It's very rare that you catch them, you know.
Miss, how could you leave that poor animal in there like that?
Animal, why are you telling me?
My car says 101. How do you think it's in there?
Oh, it's usually like almost more than double.
No. Let her bang into it. Let her bang into it. Let her bang into it. I can't believe these people.
They don't get it, you know.
Well, I mean, even though they leave, can we still report it?
We can still report it. They're once they're gone.
Good. You needed a good dent. Idiots.
That's crazy. It's sad.
Oh my God,
I've
it
seen- I
pisses
just-
me off so much.
I just picked up a dead dog in a vehicle not too long ago. Yeah, for that reason, they left their dog in the car. They don't get it. They hate when you compare it to children because they're like, oh, it's a dog. No,
It's a life.
Yeah, it's a living creature.
No offense, but why does all the drama always happen at Walmart?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It always happens at Walmart.
Always happens at Walmart, man.
Oh God, I'm glad we saw it. Yeah, they're already gone. What are you gonna do?
All right.
Bye. See you. People are so ghetto today. I'm telling you. Jesus Christ. Leave a poor animal in this heat in the middle of summer. Ugh.